Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a little unboxing video for you guys. I know I've been missing for a little while, but I am going to try to start uploading a bit more. And guys, if you hear all that noise in the background, that's all the traffic outside. But yeah, so I have this bridal series polygel kit from SXC Cosmetics that they sent me, and I just want to do a quick unboxing for you guys. I will do a swatch and a tutorial or whatever soon, but I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. I've kind of peeped into the box, but I haven't taken anything out and really, looked at everything. So I just want to do that on camera for you guys and show you guys this kit. I've seen other people use the kit on YouTube, and the colors are so beautiful. So I'm really excited to use this kit. So yeah, alright, so let me just go ahead and open the box. So this is the front of the box, and as you can see, the packaging is so cute. And this is the back. So it came in a box. It came in a big cardboard box with packaging material and everything to protect it, but I took it out. So let me just open this little thing right here. Alright, so when I opened it before, I kind of peeped into it, like I said. So I know this box contains the polygels and all the little fandangles and everything that comes with it. So yeah, so I'll show you that in a bit. The lamp is in a separate little box inside of this box. Here it is. Okay, here it is. Alright, so I'll just go ahead and open the lamp first, since this has less items than the other box. This is actually a pretty decent size lamp. I didn't expect it to be as big as it is. So this has, let me see, 5, 10, 15 LED lights. Yeah, this looks decent. This is a 24-watt lamp. Also in the box, I'm guessing this is the USB, or actually comes with a full charger. That's nice. And of course this is the US plug. Alright, and then it also comes with the manual in the box. So I'm just going to put these back because, like I said, I won't be doing anything with the kit today. I am just doing a quick unboxing to show you guys this kit and what comes in it. And from what I saw, I can't remember exactly what comes in the box, but I think it's about 6 polygels, and it comes with some glitters and stuff like that. So let me just turn this sideways. Alright, so it comes with instructions, and these are some other kits that they have as well. Yeah, so nice. Alright, so these are the polygels. There are 6 of them, and they have these adorable little names. So you have adorable, glamorous, forever, soulmate, sweetheart, and blessed. And there's also the brush down here. Ooh, we have these little nail decals, nail forms. We have paper nail forms, and we also have dual forms. We have a nail file, and these are some more nail decorations. And I like that these are actually well packaged. You know, they come in this little kit, and you know, you don't have to keep taking out, you know, like these, they're not in separate jars, so you don't have to keep, you know, searching for them. They're just in one little kit by themselves, so that's cool. And then you have these rhinestones. Let me just take this whole thing out. You have the base and the top coat, and then you have all these rhinestones. So this kit is actually well loaded, I would say, because I mean, you have all of these nail decorations, you have the polygels, you have a nail lamp, you have a brush, you have the top and the base coat, a nail file, you have both door forms and paper forms. So this is actually, you know, very nice. And I think this kit, when I checked, you know what, I don't want to tell you guys a price because I really don't remember the exact cost, so I don't want to tell you guys a lie. But yeah, this kit is pretty cool. I can't wait to use it. And of course, whenever I use it, I will post a video on that. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and remember to look out for my review and demo video coming soon. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Bye.